Okay, so this trade was taken on Friday, that is 19th of April 2024. The stock name is BIRLASOFT, and my analysis was like this. It is in the previous day. This is the previous day candle, strong bearish candle coming from this inefficiency or fair value gap, and it is hitting right the previous day's low. So if it gives some kind of clear indication that it wants to fall further, then the next drawn liquidity is this one. And so therefore from this uh, previous day low up to this next drawn liquidity, this is our trading area. In this area we would like to sell this. So based on that understanding, this is the analysis of Thursday evening, and then based on that understanding we moved on to Friday morning. And then what do we see there? So this is the trade of Friday. So right in the morning, this was the previous day low. This was the previous day low. And right in the morning, it shows clear bearish intention, first of all with this strong bearish candle, and then tries to reach up to the previous day low but fails, and then again drops down and also creates inefficiencies here, here. So our um, plan is that it is a clear order block creating a fair value gap, and this is enough evidence that the price may be wanting to go further down, and so we shorted from this area. So from the opening of this order block, that means like this, like this, and the stop loss was right above this this candle basically, and we targeted the low, the next drawn liquidity, this line. So this is this line, and then what do we see here? I think it is a 1:2, some kind of like I kept it like this or something like that. Anyway, but as time approaches, in Friday, what happens is, if you see the weekly chart, this is a strong bearish candle. So right from the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it was only selling. So it is more probable that in Friday, in the afternoon session, after a huge selling was already observed, there will be certain kind of profit booking at the end of the week, and hence there is no need to become greedy. And I was observing that in this region, for a very long time, price was actually consolidating in this region. So I thought that it is possible that after this consolidation, profit booking will start in the later portion of the Friday's trading hours, and hence I, instead of waiting for the next drawn liquidity or our target, I booked my profit right here. As you can see, this green blue arrow here. So this was the entry and this was the exit. So in terms of profit target, this was like 1.5 or something like that. So that was the trade for Friday. It was not a complete 2:1 or 2.5:1, but again we achieved 1.5:1, which is quite okay for the day, and hence we closed the day with this trade. And in this way we were profitable for the entire week.